Hi, I'm Mrs. Strecker. I teach 2 of the 4 engineering classes offered at Plano Senior High. Since you'll be making your schedule soon, I want to tell you about one of the classes called Engineering Science, which is the class best suited for juniors. Before we start talking about specifics, the first thing to understand is, what is engineering?
Engineering is using math and science to solve problems.
Well, there are a lot of different technical problems.
Engineering science helps you figure out what type of engineering you like because you start the year learning mechanical engineering concepts, then you start to learn about electrical engineering, then civil engineering. Second semester is the best because that's when we learn to code and apply it to the machines that we build.
I would like to see some of the projects you do in engineering science.
We start the year learning about mechanical advantage of simple machines and getting familiar with the materials in the toolbox. Next, we learn about electricity and see how many LEDs we can light with one battery.
We should have taken off the solar panel.
Yours going backwards?
We learned about many different sources of energy, then applied that knowledge to power these cars with solar panels, batteries, and here you see them going on hydrogen fuel cells. This is a challenging project we do in the spring where students build a machine and write code to control it to sort half-inch marbles made of different materials.
Engineering class is probably one of the most interesting classes you will ever take this year. It's really fun.
Engineering science is a great class because it personally allows me to explore different aspects of engineering. You get to explore mechanical, electrical, software. But for me personally, I really like mechanical, and that's really what I want to major in going into college next year. You get to design and build so many different things from this design and things you see rotating platforms, or you building actually you get to design bridges in this class. Really, this class has really just helped me to grow with my math and science skills and be able to know that in the future that I really want to become an engineer to change the world.
Engineering science is a great class to take if you're really into math and science. It's challenging, but I loved it, and it's really good if you're trying to determine which engineering you're going into.
This is a good class if you want to be an engineer, you want to explore engineering to see if you like it, or you just like solving problems using math and science. If this class sounds good to you, tell your counselor you want to take engineering science. See you at Plano in the fall.